तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। गौरी नन्दन गजानन गौरी नन्दन गजानन गजानन गिरिजानन्दन निरञ्जन गिरिजानन्दन निरञ्जन
गिरिजानन्दन निरञ्जन
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक बुद्धिप्रदायक पार्वती नन्दन हे शिवनन्दन नन्दन हे शिवनन्दन पार्वती नन्दन हे शिवनन्दन जय 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 गजानन जय 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 गजानन गजानन गिरिजानन्दन निरञ्जन गिरिजानन्दन निरञ्जन गिरिजानन्दन निरञ्जन गौरी नन्दन गजानन गिरिजानन्दन निरञ्जन गिरिजानन्दन निरञ्जन विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक पार्वती नन्दन हे शिवनन्दन जय 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 गजानन जय 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 गजानन गजानन जय 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 गजानन जय 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 गजानन जय 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 गजानन जय 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 गजानन गिरिजानन्दन निरञ्जन गिरिजानन्दन निरञ्जन गिरिजानन्दन निरञ्जन गिरिजानन्दन निरञ्जन गौरी नन्दन गजानन
ईश्वराम्बासुतं देव नित्यं मङ्गलकारिणं वेङ्कावधूत सम्प्रीतं वन्दे सत्यं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे सत्यं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे सत्यं जगद्गुरुं धन्य हो ईश्वराम्बा धन्य हो ईश्वराम्बा जग को दीन हो बाल बाबा जग को दीन हो लाल बाबा धन्य हो धन्य हो कलयुग में अवतार लिए सकल चराचर के भगवान कलयुग में अवतार लिए सकल चराचर के भगवान जगदोधारा साई नारायण जगदोधारा साई नारायण धन्य हो धन्य हो धन्य हो ईश्वराम्बा जग को दीन हो लाल बाबा धन्य हो धन्य हो कलयुग में अवतार लिए सकल चराचर के भगवान जगदोधारा साई नारायण धन्य हो धन्य हो हे धन्य हो हे ईश्वराम्बा धन्य हो हे ईश्वराम्बा धन्य हो ईश्वराम्बा जग को दीन हो लाल बाबा
My most humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Bhagwan. Swami, please think through me, speak through me and act through me. Swami, please ask your guidance today. We invite you to the program. Please come and enjoy our show and do give us some calling cards. Sairam everyone. Dear respected elders, parents, children, newcomers to the center, on behalf of the Dallas SSC team, Sai Spiritual Education, I invite one and all of you to this wonderful program put together by these children. This is actually, I was about to start with something else, but you know that the bhajan kind of took me in a different route. For children who didn't understand what that bhajan meant, it meant thank you, Mother Ishwarama. Do you know what it means? We are thanking Mother Ishwarama for giving us Swami. Swami chose Mother Ishwarama to be she was called the chosen mother. And why is she the chosen mother? What is, like, all of us have mothers, all of us are mothers. What is special about Mother Ishwarama that it became to be the Mother's Day? May 6th of every year, Swami declared it to be the Mother's Day. Why? So, Mother Ishwarama, she was a very simple and a pious soul from a small hamlet of Puttaparthi. And she, from Swami's words mentioned by Sri Kasturi, she came from a very, very, very humble beginnings. She did not have much in life. However, even after Swami known to be the incarnate, God incarnate, she did not desire much. She had only 3 wishes in her life. Can any of the children remember what it is? Any helpers? She wanted, like, she was pained to see the children going from Puttaparthi to Bukkapatnam, like, to walk all the way for the schools. She was pained to see the people carrying the sick people from Puttaparthi to Bukkapatnam. Bukkapatnam was the nearest place where they could take anybody anywhere. And then also the same thing with the water. They did not have drinking water facility there. These were her only 3 wishes in life, not diamonds, she did not want anything else. She just wanted only these 3. I think she kind of, she's an embodiment of universal love. That is what Swami wanted us to remember today. That's the only thing he wants us to remember today. That's why he declared it to be the Mother's Day. In one of the Vrindavan showers, he is also declared that this is Children's Day. He wanted the children to celebrate this. And that is how all these Ishwarama Day celebrations came about throughout the world. So with that having said, we have a wonderful we have 170 children in Dallas SSC. They have come up with this great program. And what it is about is, we are telling Swami, we read about Mother, we read about everybody through the books, but you are our living ideal. So we are going to, they have kind of imbibed certain things. They're going to come and show us, like, what is Swami's values, how to live them in a very, very practical way. This is not like, we're not going to show you mythological characters. These are about contemporaries. Some of them are real characters, some of them are fictitious, but they are talking about real issues and real solutions which we all of us need. Before I conclude, I want to thank the YAs, especially the Group 4 children who made this happen. I need a real big applause for them. The reason I'm saying is, people who are committed to SSC as teachers, we know what the job is. Okay, we committed for this. The YAs and the Group 4 children, you know that they are like from the age of, like, say 16 to, like, you're talking about like mid-20s. They have 101 things to do in their life, apart from their education, apart from the extracurricular. I personally know how many children, like, traveled out of town constantly, but they made time for these practices. They changed their entire life for the past 3-4 months. They worked hard on the scripts, they choreographed the dances, they did everything for us. So really thank you so much. And you parents, you did everything for us too. Like, you brought the food, you showed up on practices, you responded to the emails. Thank you so much. We could not have done without you people. There are some folks here whom we normally take for granted, who normally clean the center, do the parking for us, this wonderful big backdrops and all that. I would really like to thank you. Get only once in a year this one. So really thank you all. I observed one thing. Being Mother's Day, I think that is why it just struck to me, like, now when you're sitting there, this is the only day we see the altar coming to the mother's side, to the lady's side. So thank you, Swami. Thank you for that. Like, you made our day. Just want